Hola, ¿cómo están? Hi, how are you today? I hope everything is okay. Espero que todo esté bien. Yo soy la tía Olga. I am Tia Olga. Today we're going to continue with the rules of pronunciation. Hoy vamos a continuar con nuestras clases de pronunciación. Please follow those instructions and for sure your Spanish will be much better. Y de seguro su español va a estar mucho mejor. Those rules help you to everybody understand you. Estas reglas les va a ayudar a que todo el mundo entienda cuando hablan español. ¿Sí? Vamos a comenzar. Vamos a comenzar con la letra C o la S. Okay? I remind you, I'm from Peru in Latin America. And in Latin America, we pronounce the Z or S the same way, okay? You need to be careful with that because in Spain, they pronounce like th. Okay? When we're gonna continue the class, this class is more focused in Spanish speaker from Latin America. That part is important when you have the letter C. The letter C plus E or I in Spanish, we pronounce like S. C. C. Okay, you know it's the same like S. In Spain, maybe, I'm not good for that, but I gonna sound like C. 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 But in Latin America, we say Ceci. Okay. Something that you need to know, the other vowels you need to pronounce like is K. For example, if I say C-A, C-O, C-U, I don't know if you can see it. Let me put here. Okay. In those cases, the sound is K. Okay, you pronounce like it's K in Spanish. Okay. Ka, ko, ku. Ka, ko, ku. And this one is se, si. Se, si, ka, ko, ku. Okay, we're gonna try like this. Cerrar, cerrar. Ciudad, ciudad. Cenar, cenar. Remember, all the letters, most of them, I'm gonna correct myself, in Spanish you pronounce. We're gonna learn some exceptions, but right now, please, you need to pronounce all the consonants and vowels you see in Spanish, okay? We're gonna try again. Repeat with me. Cerrar, cerrar. Ciudad, ciudad. Cenar, cenar. Good. Okay, please practice those. And if you have any comments, please write down in the comments. I'm gonna answer all your questions about that. We have ka, ko, ku, like the Z, the K, okay? Well, now we're going to move on to letter G or J. In this case, it's very similar, unlike the Z. We pronounce G-E, G-I different, like H in English. Remember, in Spanish, the H is mute, silence, okay? In Spanish, la letra H es muda, es un silencio. Okay, but when you have G-E, G-I, you pronounce like, okay, like in English, no, like hello, gigante, he, okay, girasol, gente. You need to be careful. It's almost the same rule like we have with the other consonants. We already saw it, like G-A, G-U, G-I. In those cases, oh, sorry. Oh, it's a mistake. No, G-O. Let me Let's do it again. Like G-A-G-O-G-U. Okay, we pronounce like the cat, no? The cat. Meow. Okay, cat. Ra. Ro. Ru. Ra. Ro. Ru. Instead of he, he. Okay, you can see this one. He, ran, te. If you see, we also pronounce all the vowels. Okay, we say he, ran, te. Okay, he, ran, te. Okay, this one is he, da, sol. He, da, sol. He, da, sol. We have here gente, gente, gente. Try one more time. Gigante, girasol, gente. Okay, practice one more time. If you have any comments, please write it down and I'm gonna answer you. Muy bien. Okay, that is most common mistakes the people who speak English or other languages, Japanese, German, make it when they pronounce it. Okay. Now we have the double L and the Y. We have this sometimes, like say, we pronounce very similar, but not always. Okay. I recommend for most of my my students, try to do like Uruguay, Argentina people pronounce the j, j, j. It's much better to you say ja and you say la, la. It's incorrect. Okay. We have different pronunciation for that. We also like this, say I, llave, llave, llama, llevar, llanta. Okay, we're gonna try one more time. Llave, llave. Okay, well, I'm gonna be consistent with the one sound. We can say llave, llave. Okay, or you can say llave, llave. Either one is correct. Okay, what is not correct if you say lave? That is no one. That is not good. Now we have here llama, 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 llama. We can say also llevar, llevar, llanta, llanta. If you see, we have two syllables here. Ya, ve, ya, ve. We have here ya, ma, ya, ma. We have here llevar, llevar. And we have here llanta, llanta. Okay, if you see, we pronounce all the consonants, not even one we omitted of the vowels either. Okay, we pronounce all of them. Okay, try one more time with me. Llave, llama, llevar, llanta, llave, llama, llevar, llanta. Well, that is the other letter. We have a lot of ways to say it. Depend if you are in Latin America and Spain. In Spain, it's like TH in English. But in Spanish, we pronounce, okay? For us, CVS is the same. We try here, okay? Remember, the H in Spanish doesn't make any sound, no sounds, okay? We have here, zapato, 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 zapallo, 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 zanahoria, zanahoria, zanahoria. Please repeat after me. Zapato, zapallo, zanahoria. Good. Zapato, zapallo, zanahoria. Good job. And finally, for today, we have the letter X or J. In this case, we pronounce very similar, most of the time, very similar, okay? And also it's correct to write it with X or J, those words we have here, okay? Está bien en español escribir estos como México, mexicano with X or with J, okay? Both grammatically correct, okay? It's no misspelling, nothing. But in Latin America, we use more the X, okay? X. Mexicano, México, Jimena, Javier. We're gonna try mexicano, México, Jimena, Javier. Okay, please practice one more time. Mexicano, México. Jimena, Javier. Okay, remember, we can write it with, instead of X, J, mexicano, México, Jimena, Javier. Also, it's correct to say in that way, okay? Well, we're done for today. Thank you for listening to our class. I hope to see you in next week, in the next video too. Espero verlos en el siguiente video. Hasta luego.